Hi there, guys. I'm coming at you with another video, and this time it's going to be a haul video. And so, to keep from prolonging the video, let's get started. I want to show you a few things that I've gotten in, and you know how I am. I have to go ahead and show it. Now, most of this stuff I have used already, because I can't wait for everything to come in to make the video. So I have to go ahead and open it up and get, started. All right, the first thing, I ordered this from Amazon. And it is Beauty Creations Peach Setting Spray. Now, it's okay. It's really misty. I mean, when you spray it, a lot comes out. And your face is wet for a few minutes. You have to just fan and walk around. But what I've done is, if you know in the other video, I have the Hard Candy Defend setting spray. And I said I wasn't crazy about that because it made my face like a little grayish or dry. So what I've done is I use this, and then I use the Defend by Hard Candy, and I mix those two, and it balances it out very well. So this works wonders for me. Okay, next, to get these, I got some these wax pencils. I have different things that I use for putting on rhinestones, which, you know, for me, I don't wear a lot of rhinestones. I'm not that crazy about them for myself. But I got these in, and I purchased this. Those wax pencils came from Amazon, if I'm correct. I purchased this from Walmart, and it is a foundation stick, and it looks really nice. I'm all about using different foundations, and I have 1,000 foundations now. I'll never be able to use all these foundations that I have, but I got black opal. Okay, next, I want to show this that I got in. This is from a company called, I think it's Vasili. And this is the Magic Eyeliner and Eyelashes Mascara Kit. I've already ordered one of these. I ordered another one. And this is a wonderful kit. I really don't necessarily use the whole kit. I basically just use the eyelashes out of here. Because what it is, it's supposed to be like a magnetic. This is supposed to this is supposed to be the eyeliner, and you're supposed to put the eyeliner on your your eyes, along your eyelash line, excuse me, and then the lashes stick to it. And so here are here are the lashes. These are gorgeous. You have that pair. Then, yeah, there it is. You have this pair, which is gorgeous. And this is the other pair that you have. Turn it this way so you can see it. Vasili. But I like the lashes. I don't really use, I tried to use this, and I think it works. It probably will work. I may try it again. So I probably will try this again. This is the eyeliner that's supposed to be magnetic, which it is. And the lash, when you put this on your lash line, then you attach the eyelash to this on your lash. And it sticks. This is the mascara. And you've seen the other pair of tweezers that I used when I did my lash video. So, okay. Next, I want to show a foundation that I've gotten in. And it is as you can see, the Kat Von D locket. And I have no idea what my true color is. And yes, like I said, I've opened these and I have used them. And here is this one. And this is the Deep 67 Cool. And I got a few different shades. As you can see, yeah, I've used this one. And I love it. It really does work very well. The Medium 65 Neutral. And if I'm correct, I think I've used this one too. Which I have, yes. Beautiful. I have always wanted to try Kat Von D. I've always wanted to try it. And then I got a lighter shade just in case I need to. And I'm good for mixing my foundations. So I can mix this one with the darkest one that I have. And it works very well. And they also sent this brush. And it comes in a box like this. It comes in this packaging. I haven't opened this one. I have this one, and one more since I did 3 orders with them. And it's a nice brush. I'm not too fond of using it for foundation, but I've tried it out and it works really nice. It does. It really works. And they also, I got this. This is a light color. I'll try this one. This is a smaller size, the mini size. And I got these two Kat Von D. These came free, the eyeliners. And I can't wait to try these too. I'm going to try these the next time I put on my makeup. And they sent me translucent setting powder. That was a free gift. This little small case. I just love Kat Von D stuff. Yes. I found out about these blenders. It's the Sonia Kashuk blenders, and I've ordered a lot. I ordered this one over at Target, and I went and picked it up, and it has the 3 of them in the pack. And I also ordered these, the 2 bigger ones. And now I think, let me see, this 3-pack was like 7 something. I think it was $7 or $6.99. This 2 were $7. And I ordered the single one, which is this one, which, yes, I have used it. I've opened it and I have used it, and it works excellently. And this is a huge beauty blender. I've used it and I've washed it, and I just wanted to show. And this is the size of the blender when it's dry. This is semi-dry. I have wet it because I had to clean it. I washed it. I used it and I washed it and I cleaned it. But this is what it looks like. These are huge. They're really nice, and you get a lot of space covered with the flat bottom, the round bottom. I love these Sonia Kashuk blenders. I really do. And they are beautiful. I love that marbling. That's what's got me. The marbling is excellent. Beautiful. And these are the smaller ones. And they are so cute. Now, I've seen, I'm the kind of person that when I see something, I always go on YouTube, thank God for that, and I watch reviews of these products. I don't know what I'll do with this one. I'm going to keep it, but I don't know if I'll use it because I haven't really seen that well reviews on this gray one. But all of these are so cute. Oh, the coloring is absolutely beautiful. And this is a product that's sold only by Target. I know I saw a lot of videos and people were using these like 2 or 3 years ago. But I know I'm new to the game, but I just love, I really never heard of this until a few days ago. So I decided I was going to order some. I am absolutely in love with the Sonia Kashuk blenders. And so, therefore, this is, I think that's the end of my haul. And I hope you guys enjoy this, because I love these products and I'm going to enjoy using them. Glad I just saw it. I ordered these. And if you can see, they are very huge. It's 16 fluid ounces. I ordered it from a company called Nailite. And I ordered 3 of these. And I've got 2 of them filled up with the alcohol, because I do have a whole gallon of 99% alcohol. I just didn't fill this one up. I left it empty. But these are absolutely huge. And as you can see, here's the other one that I had. Here's the other one. And if you can see the size, I know you can't see it from there, but this is the size difference. I mean, this bottle is just absolutely huge. I can't even get it in the whole video. That is all for this video, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you in my next video, guys. And I hope everyone is staying safe, and enjoy your time while you're in, and just continue to live your life. All right. Bye-bye.